Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty. If you're looking for turnkey with modern updates, I've got just the house for you. Outside we've got in-ground sprinklers, a couple paver patios, one in the front, one in the back, and a beautiful in-ground pool, fenced-in yard, level lot, just what you're looking for. Inside, gorgeous as well. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. We've got 4 bedrooms here, 2 on the first floor, 2 on the second, making it very easy for single floor living, so it can be your forever home. Come on and follow me inside. Well, I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 27 Leemond Drive in beautiful Wilbraham, Massachusetts. I think it's fair to say that this home checks off all the boxes, all at an affordable price point. If you have any additional questions about the property or like to schedule a private tour, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking for a beautiful Cape home here in Wilbraham, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.